Hi, my name is Derek Salamanca, and today we're going to Casa Batllo in Barcelona, Spain. A super unique artist house. We probably waited about 10 minutes in line, and now that we're inside, we're waiting a little bit longer. After you come in the second line, you're going to come and you're going to get headphones, and each room has a number, and you press the number on your screen to listen to what room you're in. You just hit number 1 on a thing, and it coordinates with the one on the wall, and it tells you about the room. So this is room number 1. What's cool about the phone is that it shows you the room, but minus everybody in it. So if you want to look at the window, it'll take all these people out of the photo. It's cool because even the walls have crazy designs on it. These are the things that make me curious. What are behind doors like this? The video says this is supposed to be like an underwater cave with the light coming through. So we're in room number 3 so far, and the recording just sucks. I haven't listened to 90% of it. But this is a cool little cubby hole with the fireplace. Just said that fireplace was made for a couple and a chaperone, because back in the day the ladies weren't allowed to be alone with the men because us men are going to try to bang you. This thing is a little bit interactive. Didn't do it because if you move the phone, a mushroom appears for whatever reason, disappears and starts a fire. The living room part, they've added furniture and sunlight that's not there. It's just people. So I guess they were showing what it used to look like, maybe? Couch. It's crazy. So strange. I changed my opinion on the recording. I think it actually is cooler than it was. Don't shit here. And I want to know, Lena, go up there. Go see what it is. That's cool. There's got to be a way to get like your own tour so you can go down like those stairs into the basement and see things that aren't the normal part of the tour. There's got to be. Oh, there's an outside section here. Now we're on like the 2nd floor, and we can go outside and look. The recording just said something about women's breasts, but I don't know. It's cool the difference between this building and then like the neighbor's building. It's like night and day. We came at 1:30 on a Monday, and it's super crowded. Like people fucking everywhere. 2nd floor is just going shopping. We're on the top floor now, and that's looking down. Now we're in a hallway with these strange little flaps. Lena just broke it. Oh, it's just a magnet. Whoa, more stairs. What's in here? Ah! Okay. Nothing. Skinny little stairwell. It's cool light. And then you come outside to this. You're like on a colorful castle. My mom was just saying this is unreal. We were this close to not coming in, but it's just really cool. You can tell how cool it is by the excitement of my mother and sister while I'm recording the video. They talk a lot about how he makes light and airflow work. And this is this is the stairwell under here. And so he's let the wind and the sun come through because this is all open, but it still prevents the water from going into the house. I don't think this is part of it, but this is a really cool looking shade structure for this building. And we are very high up. Well, that kid scared me. Everything is just crazy detailed. So it's just some weird offshoot room with water. So that's why they want it closed, so you can see the water from it. That's cool as hell. Mom, were you just fingering that hole? You were, weren't you? What's strange about that water room is that you would have to come upstairs onto the roof outside just to go in and do whatever in there. You pay 12 euros to get our photo printed, and then it gives you a download link on your receipt so you can share it with all your friends on your Instagram and Facebook. Remember those stairs that I showed you earlier that go down to the basement? The dude's buried down there. We should have definitely went down. We tried to use the elevator, but it's for like handicapped people and stuff. They don't want the sexy salamancas on it having too much fun. It took the three of us an hour, and it cost 25 euros to do. I recommend it. Totally worth it. This is one of those places that it's definitely better to go there and see it in person. It's 25 euros, but I would recommend buying the $35 version, 35 euro version, because it was busy even on a Monday, and we went to one other place that we couldn't even get into because they were book solid. Excuse me. Buy they call it the gold priority, and it's 35 bucks. It's 10 bucks more, 10 euros more. I would recommend getting that. I also recommend subscribing. I also recommend subscribing to my channel because I have a lot of travel videos coming out and you're not going to want to miss them. My name's Derek Salamanca, and if I didn't answer all your questions or you have questions, comment or message and I will definitely answer.